So, you want free honey, do you? Yeah, of course you do. That's why you clicked on the thumbnail. Well, we want free honey as well, but spoiler alert, the only way to get free honey is by keeping your own bees. So, we've pulled the plug, we've bought some bees, they're coming next month. We've bought some beehives. So in this video, I'm going to be putting the beehives together. How hard can it be? Who knows? How hard can beekeeping be? Beekeeping be? Who knows? So, might be a few stings along the way. Hopefully not, but who knows? It could be. It could go really well. It could go really bad.
Bees! Bees! Bees in the car! Bees everywhere!
So follow us. Stick a comment down below if you're new to beekeeping, if you'd like to start beekeeping. Let us know in the comments below. Follow this journey, because this is our road to free honey. So, bit of an unboxing video today. Got me bro, lovely day. See what's in these boxes. So, with a bit of sussing about off camera, these top rails come with a bit that's nearly cut out that you have to break out. And then with a Stanley knife, steadily, point towards yourself, you shouldn't do, tell you what you won't do, straight downwards, and trim. Bit left over. Don't do what I'm doing, kids. Never pull a knife towards you, especially not a sharp Stanley knife anyway. Here's a practice. Here's one I prepared earlier. Blue-keeper style. Shiny edge. So, with that out, two of these, two sides. Got a little V on them. So make sure you get them the same way when you're putting them on the frame. And just push in, nice snug fit, V to the front, V to the front. It just pushes in nicely. V at the front, V at the back. They go in there nicely. So then, that's what comes out of there, that goes back in there. We have two of these little bundles of joy. You need two of these because I've got two rebates in there. So, and I found, put the back one in, flush it at the ends, push it nice and tight down. So that back one is in line with this rebate here. Then you get your wax. It's got bigger, the wire's bigger at that end, so I'm presuming that that is bent over at that end, nice and tight in there, like this. You can see that, So then this, that you took out from that rebate, goes back in. Where the V's are, put a pin where the wires are, so it holds it in. And then on this one, the wire out the bundle, a little piece of wood out the bundle, 2 of them. That then goes in there, and then where the V's meet again, put a pin in, put a pin in. And there then, it's falling apart, so but there you have your frame. Easy as that. So anyway, wish me luck, because I've got 2 hives. That's 20 of this size. So 10, 20, 30, 40 of the supers to do. Plus I bought another 2 supers for each, just in case it blow up this summer. Even though it's the first time beekeeping, who knows what's going to happen? I don't know. You don't know. It's all about the weather. Today, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, let's crack on. So I'll see you when I've got all these done, because it might be a bit boring. So let's put our soup together. So we've all got handles in. So we just need to keep them the same way up. And that one's got a rebate in for the frame to sit on. Like this. So, handle up, handle up. Go into there. What we'll do is put a dab of glue on. Like this, a little dab of glue. Get the old rubber mallet out. Nice tap. Nice tap that way. Nice and snug. Upwards, that's the one. Get it going, give her a tap. Tap. Nice. Turn around, some more glue. Rebates up and below. Started. Like that. Right. I'll put any pins in. See if she's square. Good. Yep, she looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh, nearly lost her. Beautiful. Let's go there. Bigger pins. The ones. One there. There they go in. She's in. She's on. Another one for the look. Long hammer. I'm going to get far with a rubber mallet. Oh wait, on a metal pin. Nail. She's in. Double check that. She's beautiful. Right. 2 more in. Let's flip her over. hassle. Sure she's still level. Beautiful. Sorry? I got a tissue, no. No, sorry. No. Last two. Run around. Beautiful. Check she's still square. Beautiful. There we have it. Then I think what we've got in the box is these two rails, which typical man, I haven't read any instructions, even though I don't think there was any instructions with it, but I'm presuming they go on there. But when they go in there like this, we've got a bit of B space at the top there. And it's just short at the bottom. See that on camera, so it's just short at the bottom. Sorry, got your B space there for when you put your next one on. So beautiful, beautiful. So let's pin these on there. That one's going to go through. No, they're not. Nice and tight down. Two in. Flip it over. The other one on. Sit tight down. One in. Two in. There she goes. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then drops in there like that. Done. Two down. Let's get the rest of the supers made and all the frames. So one down, one to go. And we've got an extra two supers to go on each hive, just in case we have a good summer. Yeah, looking good. So, last one. Goes the last one. Finished. So on the next video, making a hive stand for two hives. So check us out next time. See you again.